Dear students, welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss about the part 2 from reflection of light of 7th class science. How can we see the images in the mirror? So for that observe this diagram carefully. Let us have a mirror. Let us have a candle and it is kept behind the front side of the mirror, and light is generating from the candle and it just passes an incident on the mirror. Then draw the normal from the incident point. Then the angle between the incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence, angle I. So then it get reflected to the eye with the same angle, because according to first law angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection, it will reach to eye. Now eye doesn't know the exact location of candle, but the light should always travel in a straight line, so that when we back extend the reflected ray, so eye seems to I can see the candle that it is placed behind the mirror. That is the image. So in this way we can see the images. Now the ray of light from the candle is reflected at the mirror and bounces off at the same angle as it comes to the mirror. Our eye does not know that the light has been reflected. Our eye sees the object in the mirror and feels that the light is coming from that candle which seems to be behind the mirror. So in this way we see an image of the candle. And one of the best applications of reflection is periscope. So make your own periscope. First let us see what is periscope. You can see that a boy is hiding in a wooden rack, and he is seeing the girl which is standing on the other side. By using an yellow color instrument is there, which is we call as periscope, and we can use periscope in so many areas. The main application is they are used in submarines, where all the guards are inside the submarine, and to check what is happening on the surface they can see by periscope. And you can see that a long pipe like structure is there with coming out of the water, that is periscope. And in the militaries also, when the soldiers want to check where the position of enemies, they can use periscopes. You can see the picture. Now let us do this. Materials required for the periscope is empty agarbatti box or any cardboard box, not only particular, 2 mirror strips, scale, pencil, blade, a matchbox, candle and glue. And this is the model of periscope. And these are the materials. From these materials we made that. In another video we will show, our students have done it. We will show that one. Now I am not going to touch the procedure and process. Let us do this. Place a mirror 1 feet into 1 feet on the floor. You and your friends A, B, C, total 4, are stand on the 4 sides of the mirror. Adjust your places of the standing in such a way that each one of you can see the image of the person opposite to you in the mirror kept on the floor. Like in the image, you, A, B, C are there. Now a mirror is placed on the floor. Now the person B directly sees you, and you can see the person B, and C can see the person A, your friends. Okay now. So your friends A, C are able to see images of each other in the mirror. Why can't you see their images? And ask your friend B, who is in front of you, to move a feet aside from his place. Okay na. So if the B moves 1 feet or 2 feet on any side of the uh, place, then you are unable to see this. Why? So imagine a normal to the mirror. It would be perpendicular to the mirror as well as to the floor. Imagine an incident ray coming from your friend B falls on the mirror, then reflected ray from the mirror and reaches you. This is the way you can see your friend. Now she was not there. So from this we can conclude that the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. Now you can think why B is not visible to you when he moves aside. Okay na? Because the incident ray, reflected ray and normal should be on the same plane. So that's why whoever opposite are there, only they can be visible to one another. Now you can see, so when it is rotating about the axis, so the normal black line and incident ray, reflected ray all are in the same plane. This is second law of reflection.